Let us study chemistry together with CBSE Chemistry Tips and Tricks.
Write the complete symbol for the atom with the given atomic number and atomic mass. First one is atomic number 17 and mass number is 35. Atomic number 17, we know the element, right? That is chlorine. Correct. Now you can represent the atomic number here, left bottom side, and mass number here. So this is the correct representation. Okay, now second one is what? Second one is atomic number is 92. It is a very special element, radioactive element, uranium. Atomic number 92 is uranium. What is the mass number? Mass number is given in the question. It is 233, right? 233. And the last question. Atomic number is 4, right? You know it. Beryllium. Atomic number is 4. What is mass number? 9. Okay. So this is the correct representations. Okay. Hope all of you understand.